welcome to my online tutorial. I hope yesterday's video was fruitful to you all. I hope you could solve few questions from there. Today I'm starting a new chapter that is called Factorisation. In your book, this is chapter number 6. Basically, this factorization deals with polynomials. Suppose we consider an equation 2x plus 3, 2x squared plus 5x plus 9, 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4x minus 8. These are simple examples of polynomials. The first one is polynomial of 1 degree because it has power of 1. Second one is called polynomial of second degree because it has power of 2. Third one is polynomial of third degree because it has power of 3. Basically, this factorization has two major topics. Factorization is divided in two major topics. The first one is called remainder theorem. And the second one is called factors theorem. These are two branches of this factorization: remainder theorem, factors theorem. Today we will be discussing about the remainder theorem. In the chapter itself, you have around 7 sums. I don't have book, so I'm just guessing it. There are around 7 sums, basically based on remainder theorem. In remainder theorem, you will be given with two equations. The first one will be long equation and second one will be a short equation. Remember, first equation is always assumed as fx, which stands for function of x. And second equation will be equation with 1 degree. Long equation is always taken as function of x. Short equation, we use it to find the remainder. I will give you the example. Let's see how this remainder theorem works. You can refer your book from the exercise. I'm just dictating the question. The first question says that find the remainder within bracket without division on dividing fx by x minus 2, where fx equal to 4x squared plus 5x plus 6. Look at the given sum. I told you there will be two equations. You should be able to find which one is the long one and which one is the short equation. By looking at these two, we can easily figure out. First, longest equation is 4x squared plus 5x plus 6. So we assume it as fx equal to, copy the long equation, 4x squared plus 5x plus 6. The short equation we write at the side, x minus 2, and we assume this one equal to 0. We transpose it and get the value of x as 2. This value of x you need to substitute here. This fx stands for remainder, f2 for 2 squared 5 plus 6, and as I told you, f2 is remainder. We simplify the right hand side of the equation. 4 square of 2 is again 4, 5 into 2 is 10, plus 6, 16 plus 10 plus 6, add it up, 26 plus 6 is 32. F2 is equal to 32. This 32 is our remainder. Therefore, the remainder is 32. Basically, it's not difficult. Straight away, you just need to follow the steps. Long equation, you assume it as fx. Short equation, you write at the side, equate it to 0. Then you calculate the value of x. Whatever x you get, substitute in the equation. Simplify the right hand side, you'll get your remainder. And remember, this fx on the left hand side of the given equation represents the remainder. Let's take another example. Find the remainder without division on dividing fx by x plus 3, where fx equal to 5x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. Again, same steps to be followed. You don't have to worry about anything. Identify the long equation and the short one. Long equation, you should always take it as fx. Function of x, that is your remainder. 5x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. The smaller one, the short equation, write it at the side. X plus 3 equal to 0. X equals to minus 3. This value of x, substitute minus 3. 5 minus 3 cube 3 minus 3 squared 2 minus 3 again minus 5. Right hand side has to be simplified. 5. And please do remember, negative of cube is always negative. 3 minus 3 cube, so you multiply minus 3 thrice, 3 times, you get 27 minus 3. Negative of square is always positive. Minus 3 square is 9. The third bracket does not have exponent, so sign multiplies. Minus 6, minus 5. Do the multiplication. 35 minus 135 minus 27 minus 6 minus 5. Add these values because you have negative number. Sign remains minus. Add it up. You can write at the side and add. 135, 27, 6 and 5. It is minus 173. So we are getting f minus 3, f minus 3, f minus 3. F minus 3 is your remainder. And what is its value? Minus 173. Therefore, the remainder is minus 173. I hope you all are getting it. You can try it yourself. It's not difficult. Follow the simple steps. You'll be able to do it. I'm confident about that. Let's take third example. Third example. Similar sum. It's similar to the previous one. Find the remainder without division on dividing fx by 2x plus 1 equal by 2x plus 1, where fx equal to x cube plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. I hope it is clear. Again, similar steps to be followed. Identify the longer equation. That longer equation is taken as fx, x cube plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. The small equation, short equation, you write it at the side. 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x equal to, take 1 at the side, it is minus 1. X equals to minus 1 by 2. Substitute f minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cube 2 minus 1 by 2 squared minus 3 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. After the substitution, you just have to simplify it, nothing else. Again, you have minus sign here. Cube of minus is always minus. 1 by 2 means that 1 by 2 you multiply thrice, 3 times. If you are not comfortable, you can do at the side. Multiply numerator, you get 1. Multiply denominator, you get 8. So cube of minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 8. Plus 2. Square of minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Similar way, 2 multiplication. Square of minus is always plus. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Third one does not have power. Sign multiplies. Minus into minus is plus. 3 into 1 by 2 minus 2. Simplify this. You can cancel 2 times. you'll be left with minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 2. Make it fraction, right? 2 by 1. Calculation will be much easier. Fractions, simplification by taking LCM. 2, 8 to 2, 1, LCM is 8. Minus 1 plus 2 divides LCM 4 times. 4 into 1 is 4. Plus again 2 divides 4. 4 times. 4 into 3 is 12. 1 divides 8. 8 times. 8 into 1, 2 is 16. After taking LCM, process of simplification is the most. You need to look at the negative number and positive numbers. Minus 1, minus 16 is minus 17. 2 and 4, 12 and 4 is 16. Divides by 8. One negative number, one positive number, subtract minus 1 by 8. Therefore, if minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8, remainder is minus 1 by 8. This is how we find remainder without division. There are so many examples, so many questions are there in the exercise. You can try it yourself. The first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Actually, it's not Roman, it's 2, 3, and 4. Please do these sums as homework. I hope you can do it yourself. If you have any problem, we'll solve it later on. Thank you.